Toyota Camry, the trunk lid pops and does this popping noise. Springs are clunking. So come underneath here after you pop your trunk here and look underneath here. I'll show you what's going on. It's going to be noisy for a second. I'm going to show you what the noise is. What's wrong is this trunk guide broke, so this thing breaks off right here and the springs do whatever they want. Here's the part number. Get 2 of them because they break real easy when you put them in, so just grab 2 just in case you break it. So you got these springs right here, and what you want to do is make sure that one of them comes over and through this hinge. Now if you look over here, this one is not even sticking out all the way like it should be because the guide broke and it's been just kind of popping out. So this is the guide right here. It's supposed to have a latch that goes over it to hold the springs in place. Like I showed you before, this little part that's sticking up, you have to close that and it locks the springs in their little guide. And these break, even when they're brand new, they break super easy, so get 2 of them. I'm going to show you what to do. First, let's fix the spring over here. Make sure yours is good. This needs to be sticking out more. So what I do is I just grab it and pull it through. So now it looks right. All I did is I'm laying backwards. I grabbed this and I just pulled it through. I kind of wiggled and pulled it through. Make sure it's good. And then you gotta mark these because they can get jumbled up. So the blue one's the bottom for me. The yellow one is the top one. And that's kind of like the general area where they go into the guide. Here's my new one. This little thing, all you do is you twist this. You twist it to the left and then you could drop it. This part that closes, the lock breaks super easy, so be careful. Don't use a flathead to try to pry this off. That's not how you do it. Some guys come up here and they try to do this and it messes up their whole little mounting area. These twist and pull straight down. So you just twist it to unlock it and you pull it straight down. So when you put your new one in, you just put it straight up into the hole and then you'll twist it to the right to lock it in place. So you want to use one hand to kind of move your springs out the way. And watch out for that latch, because look, I just twisted it and that latch just broke. See, it's broke. So now I got to get my second one, put my second one in, locked it in place, and then gently closed it. Once these are in, you could kind of, take those markings off. But yeah, my other one broke. So anyways, once you get that in, you should be good. Just go ahead and open and close your trunk a couple times. Make sure the springs are okay. Now sometimes the springs can totally just pop off. In that case, you need to kind of reference some other material to find out where they go. All right, thanks for watching.